Okay, welcome to another session in this series. In the previous session, we ended on question number 64. Okay, so here we start with question number 65. The question says, in a regular polygon, the interior angle is 108 greater than the exterior angle. So what that means is the interior angle, which is 180 n minus 2 divided by n. This is the interior angle, right? They said it is 108 greater than the exterior angle. What's the formula for exterior angle? 360 over n. Okay, so this is what you need to solve to find what the number of sides, which is n. Okay, cool. So here let's try to find the LCM, which is n. So we know that this is the same as over 1, right? Over 1. So 1 goes into n how many times? N times multiply 108. We have 108n plus here the n will cancel out. Then we have what? 1 times 360. Okay, 360 to be equal to 180 n minus 2 all over n. Okay, cool. Now we can easily cancel our n out. Okay, right. So now let's expand. Now 180 n minus 2, sorry, minus 360 should give us 108 n plus 360. So when we switch sides and then we simplify everything, we should get 108n minus, sorry, 180n minus 108n equals what? 720. Okay, so now we should have 72n equals 720. Let's divide by 72. 72 cancels out. Then we have x to be what? 10, because this will go inside 10 times. Cool. So number of, not x, n. Okay, so the number of sides is what? A, which is 10. Cool. Question number 66 says what? We should find the size of angle QPT. Angle QPT, which is this angle right here. Okay, all right. Now, since these two lines are parallel, it means that what we can have what? Co-interior angles. Okay, co-interior angles add up to what? 180. So when we add this angle, let's label it as x. When we add x and 120, we should get what? 180. So let's do that. So we have x plus 128 should give us 180. So x should give us 180 minus 128. X is equal to 52. Okay, which is B. Okay, let's move on to question number 67. The question says, which of the following sets of numbers is the set of sides of a right angle triangle? So what the question means is we need to find which of these three sets forms a Pythagorean triple. Okay, and we know what a Pythagorean triple means, right? It means when you add two sides, the square of two sides. So let's assume we have A B, C. Then A squared plus B squared should give us what? 6 squared. So we can have A, B, C as a what? Pythagorean triple. Cool. So this is what it literally means. So we need to find three sides, so that when we add the square of two sides, we should get the square of the third side, which is what? The hypotenuse. Okay, cool. So that's what they're trying to find over here. So what we can do is, let's do for each of the options. So we have for A, this is A, it says 2 squared plus 4 squared should give us 6 squared. Okay, let's see if that is true. So we have 4 plus 16 should give us 36. Is that 2? So this is 20 equals 36. This looks weird, right? Okay, let's leave it for now. Let's go to B. It says 3 squared plus 4 squared should give us 5 squared. So we have 9 plus 16 should give us 25. 25 equals 25. Oh, okay. This looks nice. Cool. Let's do the third one, which is C. It says 3 squared plus 5 squared should give us 7 squared. So 9 plus 25 should give us what? 49. So we have 34 equals 49. Okay, looks weird. Let's do the last one, which is D. 4 squared plus 6 squared should give us 7 squared. So we have 16 plus 36 should give us 49. And this is 52 equals 49. Okay, also weird, right? So which one is the only correct one? The only correct one is B, because we have what? 25 equals 25. All the rest are not correct. So answer is B. Cool. Let's move on to question number 68. Cool. Question number 68 says that we should find the value of x. Okay, so this is the angle we are trying to find. All right, and we know that these lines are parallel to each other, right? So let's draw another parallel line here. That line is parallel to what? This, and also parallel to this. Cool. All right, so once we have this parallel line here, then that means we're gonna have what? Alternate angle. That is, this angle will be equal to this angle, right? So let's write it there. This is equal to what? 52. Okay. Similarly, if this line is parallel to this line, that means we're gonna have what? Alternate angle. So this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay. So this angle right here will be equal to what? X. Okay. So finally, when you look at this side right here, we have what? A circle, right? And we know that the angles in a circle, when we add it together, is what? 360, right? So at a point, the angles formed at a point is what? 360. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle should give us what? 360. So let's do that. We have 52 plus x plus 280 should give us 360. So x is equal to 360 minus 280 minus 52. This will give us 80 minus 52, right? 80 minus 52 does give us 28. So x should give us 28, which is A. Cool. All right. I think we'll have to stop here for now. In the next session, we move on to question number 69. Thank you so much for joining this session. See you again next time. Bye.